Does your gut health feel like this? Welcome back to the Live Better channel, health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts. Today, we venture into the depths of gut health, unraveling its complexities and unearthing its unconventional yet amusing ways of enhancing overall well-being. If you've pondered over fostering happiness through your digestive journey, get ready for a delightful treat.
Oh my God, I just want you inside of me.
Before we begin, grab your favorite fermented snack to accompany you on this enlightening excursion. The human gut, often dubbed the second brain, orchestrates a symphony of microorganisms and processes crucial for health. It's like the undercover hero of your body doing a bunch of vital jobs that you might not even know about. You might think it's just there to process your food, but oh no, it's way more than that. Your gut is the commander-in-chief of digestion, the pro at absorbing all the good nutrients. And here's the mind-blowing part. It even messes with your mood.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Your gut is like the mood ring of your body, always working behind the scenes to keep you feeling A-OK and with a grin on your face. Now let's break this down a bit more. Imagine your digestive system as a complex web of organs, chemicals, and tiny creatures working together to deal with the food you shove in your mouth. Right at the heart of this operation is your gut, often called the second brain because of its intricate network of nerves and neurons. This second brain is what lets your gut and your actual brain chat back and forth. It's like they're having a secret conversation. This conversation between your gut and your brain is called the gut-brain axis. Your gut has these special cells that release hormones that mess with your appetite. And there's a bunch of tiny nerves in there too, called the enteric nervous system, which manages digestion like a boss, all on its own. Now here's the real kicker. Around 90% of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that has a lot to do with your mood, is produced right in your gut. Crazy, right? This just shows how deep the connection between your gut health and your emotional well-being goes. If your gut's not happy, it can mess with your serotonin production, which might lead to mood issues like feeling anxious or down. But flip it around. If your gut's in good shape and has a diverse bunch of friendly microbes hanging out, it can actually boost your serotonin production and help keep your spirits high. Oh, and let's not forget about your gut buddies, the gut microbiota. These are like a gazillion tiny inhabitants living in your gut that play a massive role in your health, especially digestion and even your immune system. What's cool is that you can actually influence these little guys with what you eat, how you live, and where you hang out. By keeping a diverse and balanced gut microbiota, you're not just taking care of your body's health, you're giving a big high five to your mental well-being too. So the next time you're chowing down on something tasty, remember that your gut's the superstar behind the scenes, making sure everything runs smoothly, from digestion to your mood. All right, let's dive into the world of these little champions, probiotics. They're like the rock stars crashing the gut party, bringing all the energy and excitement to the dance floor. Imagine this. Your gut is the ultimate rave, and probiotics are the ones who've got everyone moving and grooving to their favorite track, Digestive Groove. It's like they're on a mission to make sure your gut's atmosphere is always pumping. They're fans of fiber-rich foods like fruits, veggies, and whole grains. It's like their favorite party snacks. And the cool thing is, the more diverse their playlist of foods, the better they dance, keeping your gut jiving and thriving. Just imagine if these probiotics had legs and were out there on the dance floor. They'd be the ones doing the worm, the moonwalk, and probably inventing new moves we've never even heard of. They're that lively and full of energy. And guess what? When they're having a blast, your gut benefits big time. But don't get it twisted. Not all bacteria are party animals. Some can cause trouble and disrupt the vibe, leading to issues like indigestion or bloating. That's where our probiotic pals come in as the peace-loving bouncers, helping to keep everything in check. So the next time you're enjoying your favorite foods that these probiotics love, just remember, you're not just feeding yourself, you're throwing a killer party for your gut. So keep those vibes high and let the probiotic party rage on. All right, let's dive into the awesome world of fiber, your gut's superpowered cleaning crew and ultimate weapon against all that chaos. Imagine your gut as this fancy resort, and fiber as the unsung heroes, the janitors who work tirelessly to sweep away all the mess. These guys are like the ultimate cleanup squad, making sure your gut stays all fresh and fabulous. Seriously, they're like the magical maids who leave your gut sparkling. So what's the deal with fiber? Think of it as the VIP pass to a clean and happy gut. It's the stuff found in plant foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. While your taste buds might not throw a party for fiber, trust me, your gut is doing a happy dance every time you chow down on it. As it cruises through your digestive system, it's like a cleaning tornado, grabbing all the leftover debris and sweeping it out. It's not just about keeping things tidy. Fiber also helps regulate your bowel movements, preventing any traffic jams in your gut highway. It's also a pro at making you feel full and satisfied. See, it takes a bit more time to break down and digest, so it hangs around in your stomach for a while, sending signals to your brain that you're good to go and don't need to hit up the snack bar. So, the next time you're eyeballing that crunchy apple or diving into a bowl of whole grain goodness, remember, you're not just having a snack. You're giving your gut the VIP treatment. Hang on to your hats because we're about to plunge headfirst into the wacky world of fermentation. Fermented foods are basically the rock stars of the kitchen, taking regular old ingredients and transforming them into these electrifying, fizzy wonders. Fermentation is this ancient technique that's been around forever. It's like food's version of alchemy. You take basic ingredients, veggies, grains, whatever, and let them hang out with some friendly bacteria or yeast. These little critters work their magic, transforming the flavors and textures into something totally different and awesome. It's like kitchen magic, no wands required. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, those gut-loving microbes. When you munch on fermented goodies, you're basically inviting a whole bunch of these guys to the party in your gut. They gobble up the sugars and turn them into all sorts of cool stuff like acids and gases. This not only gives the food that tangy, fizzy taste, but also creates an environment that's friendly for good bacteria to thrive. It's like a win-win for your taste buds and your gut health. Take yogurt, for instance. It starts off as milk, but after a little fermentation fiesta with bacteria, it transforms into this creamy, tangy delight packed with probiotics. Those friendly bacteria that keep your gut in good shape. Or sauerkraut. Those shredded cabbage bits become this zesty, crunchy treat after hanging out with some helpful bacteria. But it's not just about the taste and texture. Fermented foods come with a whole bunch of health perks, too. You're getting a dose of those awesome probiotics that keep your gut party rocking. And because they're easier to digest, you're also scoring more nutrients from the foods. Plus, the fermentation process breaks down some of the not-so-friendly compounds, making things like minerals more available for your body to absorb. So the next time you're gobbling down that tangy kimchi or sipping on kombucha, think of it as a party for your gut. A crazy, awesome party where the guest list is full of these microscopic dancers. Wait a sec! Guess what? Laughter is actually a sneaky trick up your sleeve for gut health. Seriously, it's like a mini gym session for your abs, but without the sweat and pain of crunches. Let's break it down a bit. Laughter isn't just about having a good time. It's also flexing those belly muscles without you even realizing it. When you burst into giggles, those AB muscles get a solid workout. It's like a surprise exercise routine that doesn't involve any burpees or planks. So, while you're doubling over with laughter, your gut's thanking you by getting a fantastic toning session. But here's the awesome twist. Laughter is doing more than just giving your abs a run for their money. It's actually promoting better digestion, too. Think of it as a massage for your gut. When you laugh, your diaphragm, that's the muscle below your lungs, starts having a good time too. It contracts and expands, sort of like a friendly pat on your tummy's back. This gentle massage stimulates your digestive system, making sure everything's moving along smoothly. And here's the kicker, all those laughs are reducing stress. When you're chuckling away, your body releases these feel-good hormones called endorphins. These little fellas are like your body's natural stress busters. They're kicking those tension vibes to the curb and telling your gut to chill out. Stress and digestion don't really get along. So when the stress is down, your digestion is up. Imagine you're at a comedy show, roaring with laughter. While you're having the time of your life, your gut is also getting some love. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. You're having a blast, and your digestion is getting a boost. So the next time you're watching a hilarious movie or cracking up with friends, remember, you're not just enjoying the moment. You're also giving your gut an epic spa day. And there you have it. Our whirlwind tour through the belly-busting world of gut health hacks. From the party-loving probiotics to the fiber brigade and the wacky wonders of fermentation, your gut is a world of surprises waiting to be explored. So whether you're savoring a kombucha or enjoying a hearty laugh, remember that your gut is at the heart of your happiness. Stay tuned for more gut-busting adventures, because when it comes to health, a little laughter and good digestion go hand in hand. What do you think? Share your thoughts with us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.